Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover the Account Settings tab in your Titan account. Go to www.formtitan.com, log in, click on the Settings tab and the Account Settings subtab to access this page. Here you will see a variety of settings and options for your Titan account. Starting with the Settings section, the first option is configuration of Google Analytics. If you wish to use Google Analytics on your project, get the analytics value from your Google account, enter it here, and click Save. Also in the settings, you can set your default language. I've set mine to English. You can set your default time zone. I've set mine to US Eastern Time. Select compressed mode if you want Titan to automatically compress without impacting the quality of images. Select the scan files before submit to have files that are uploaded scanned for viruses. Please note that compressed mode and scan files before submit only apply to Titan Forms 1.0, which is now a deprecated product. For all other products, these actions are done automatically, image compression and scanning of files before submission. In the support section, you may oftentimes need to grant Titan's support team access to your account to help with debugging or other issues. If you are asked to do so, come to this tab and click the box that says Allow Titan Support Access for 5 days. That will allow our support team to log into your account and assist with various matters. And if you want to revoke that, just come in here and uncheck the box. Use the Generate Pen function if you want to allow another Titan user with another Titan account to export projects from their account to yours. So you'll click the Generate Pen and send to the person who wants to export a project to you this code. The way the projects are exported is in the dashboard. The other person will click the little 3 dots next to a project and click Export. They will choose to export it by pen and paste that value into here. Then when they run the export, the project will then show up in your Titan account. The preloader is an image animation that shows when a page is loading or when certain actions are being performed in Salesforce on your Titan web projects. If you want to create your own custom preloader, you would just enable this right here. Choose either Titan's or yours. If you choose from Titan, there are a number of different options that are already available to you. Or you can upload your own custom animation right here. The login section is where you will configure single sign-on if you want to have single sign-on used for access to your Titan environment. You would enable SSO, click Configure, and enter the platform SSO information from your identity provider. Metadata, the access URL, the entity ID, the login URL, and so forth. Finally, for the dashboard defaults, these settings impact how the dashboard appears when you first load it. If you can enable single folder per project, that means that your Titan Web, Doc, and Sign projects can only be added to one folder. If this is left disabled, as is the default, then you can add your projects to multiple folders. And for view folders only, this impacts what is displayed on the dashboard tab when you first log in. Here we're seeing everything, folders and projects. If you were to select view folders only, then you would only be shown the folders and not the projects. And that is how it's done.